Good morning, children. It's Friday. Let's get ready our activity book, page 24. Write down the date of today. Choose the correct picture and write the beginning sounds. PR, pru, or PL, pl.
A. Present. 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 Present.
Accent. Present.
B. Pram. 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 Pram.
C. Doll. 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 D. Prince. 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 E. Plate. 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 F. Play. 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 G. Prawn. 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 H. Place. 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 Children, don't forget to write down all the words here. And then now we're gonna take which picture. Start with the sounds of PR, pru, and PL, pl. Now we look at the second part. Can you see the circle blank? You know what we need to fill in? Yes, it's the letter that represents the picture. After that, we need to fill in the blank. Write the correct sounds for each word. Okay, look at this picture. H. Do you know the answer? The spelling of it? Yes, it begins with the sound of PL, pl. Place, place. Now we look at this picture. C. Pretty. Pretty starts with the sound of PR, pr. So we write the letter in the circle first. After that, we fill in the pr sound. PR, pr. Pretty. Pretty. Children, this is how we do. Refer to the picture. Write the representative letter and write the correct sounds for each word. Good try. Have a great weekend.